Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and installation of this glueless wavy wig from Idefine. Idefine actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So we are going to go ahead and hop into it. And she's just very cutesy. A very quick wig to have in your arsenal. Like, she eats. But I hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, we are going to go ahead and get into this wig unboxing from Idefine once again. Let's go ahead and open her up and see what she's giving. Let's see, this is a little bit different than what I'm used to, but I feel like Idefine always comes through with just like curly, short pieces you can just have in your arsenal to throw on real quick. So here's the box, Idefine, bam, bam, bam. Okay, hold on, let's see how we open this baby. Okay, so this is their glueless beach wavy wig. I think it has bangs too, so we're gonna be looking very different, honey. Very, very different. So I'm gonna put the wig to the side for a second and look at what we have here. So inside of the box, you get like a little flyer from Idefine, and it has some frequently asked questions on the back. Like, how long does your wig last? Is it human hair? True to length, whatever, and how to wash your wig if you never... Time, come here. And how to wash your wig. You wanted to know how to actually care for your wig. So if this wig is extremely beginner friendly. So for my girlies who have never worn wigs, bam. And of course it comes with wig caps. So this wig should not require any kind of glue. We just gonna throw this baby on and hopefully she gives. Or like, I think it'll be a little bit different. I'm excited to see how it will look on me. But yeah, hopefully she will give. So, oh, it's curlier than I thought. Hold on, here it is. Let's take it out of this netting over here. Ooh. Time is really good. Time just yelling just to yell right now. And guys, I moved, if you didn't notice. I moved. We'll talk about that later, maybe in a different video. Okay guys, now that I got time sort of under control, I think, here is the wig. As you can see, she is cutesy and curly. Look at those curls. I'm gonna rake them out a little bit. And it has a little like bang action in the front. We're gonna play with it and see what we can make her give. But here it is. Bam, bam, bam. Let's take this off. And look at the inside of this wig. So yeah, she's a little bit shorter, but I think it'll be cute. I think we can make it look really, really tea. So here is the inside of the wig. I feel like this is like a nice amount of lace compared to some of the other Idefine wigs. So you get a nice amount of parting space in the middle, so you can do a nice pretty middle part if you want to. And bam, on the side, a little space on the side. And it has an elastic band. So I guess we'll go ahead and cut this lace off. Yeah, I didn't even think it would come with excess lace. We'll go ahead and cut this lace off and put this wig on. So let's just put it on and see what it's gonna lay like first and foremost. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Betty Boop, is that you? Okay, this one isn't Betty Boop like. Hold on, I gotta look at the picture and see how this is supposed to look. But I mean, I like the length. I like a nice curly bob. Okay, wait, I look kind of cute, but let's go ahead and cut off this excess lace. I pulled up the picture so I know how she's supposed to look now. Let's cut off this excess lace. I'm sorry guys, everything is still a little bit of everywhere since I just moved, but usually I would use an eyebrow razor to do this part of the install. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of powder that's darker than my skin tone to make it just, you know, look better and hide the lace a little more so we don't have to glue it down at all. Okay, yeah, she already looks kind of cute. Like, you could almost do like a little flip over and like, that's kind of tea. Hold on, she looks almost kind of tea like that. Let me add a little more makeup now that I moved the part. We're gonna do it according to the picture, I think, but hold on, that little flip over curly pop. Oh, she's kind of eating. She's kind of tea. Hold on. Y'all know I'm doing something kind of quick. But yeah, this is kind of cute too. Hold on. This is kind of cute too. I like this. A quick little flip over curly bob. She's cute. She's cute, cute, cute. She's taking it. Okay. But let's actually do the middle part, like on the picture. Okay. So we're gonna do the middle part, but then like kind of, we have these hairs kind of in the face, like these little baby bangs. They're so cutesy. So like that little bang is pre-cut in the wig. And bam. That little bang. And let me make the middle part a little more prominent. So I'm gonna put a little mousse on it and also use my hot comb to kind of slick it down a little more. And get it the way I want it to be. And I'm gonna also use the mousse to bring back these curls a little bit too. Yeah. Okay, and as for the mousse, I'm using the argan oil mousse. This is like my go-to hair product. If I have nothing else, I need my mousse. But yeah, we're gonna bring back some of these curls a little bit, add some little oomph to it a little bit. Okay, yeah, now it's giving a little more wavy like it was supposed to. And let's play with our bangs a little bit. Like, that's kind of cute. That's fun. That is fun. Okay, now add a little mousse on this side. Bam. Cutesy, cutesy. And this is supposed to look a little effortless, so I could recurl this, but I'm probably not gonna recurl it today. And then I'm just gonna add a little concealer to the middle to make the part pop a little more, because I feel like the part is a little hidden. I want my part to just eat. Okay, let's add a little more. Okay, yeah, that looks cute. Like, okay, now she's cute. These little bangs literally make the wig 100%. But yeah, that is it, you guys. Super quick install from Idefine once again. Of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.